Do you know what? I did a Google search looking for solar for the house. I've been to a friend's, he'd had solar installed, and I thought, that sounds fantastic, understand it now a little bit more, need to get a little bit more understanding. Google quotes for solar, got battered with loads of spam, but UK Energy came through and I was like, this one looks all right, I'll get them over. And I got 2 other companies over as well, who I can't remember. Yeah, Ellie came over, spent an hour with me talking through the plan, what it would look like, how it all works, answered all my questions. I was one of those awkward customers who'd already done my research and thought I knew more than I did. And she was amazing, literally from start to finish, put no pressure on me whatsoever, sent me a proposal, it seemed to stack up, and I was like, let's do it. I've got 9 panels and a battery, unbelievable value, and I reckon I've got my bills down from 350 quid a month to less than 100, I reckon now, average. I tell everyone they should be going solar. Everyone should have electric cars, everyone should have solar. No, I don't think, well, I don't know about it for 2 years, I don't think I need to. And any time I've had an issue, you guys have been like unreal. Aftercare, after sales, or whatever you want to call it, if I've ever had a problem, it's a phone call which is answered in about 30 seconds and solved within about 2 minutes. I was raving about you guys at the time because it was like relevant. So, but if anyone ever asked me now, where would you go for solar, it's UK Energy.